Crispy, golden, delicious and cheesy. Just like the ones you get at McDonald's, these mozzarella dippers are 100 times better, and you can make these at home for less than half the price. Keep watching for how to make these, or click the link in the description for the full recipe on our food blog. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube and welcome back to the channel, and if it's your first time here guys, thank you so much for watching, and it would really help us if you drop a like on the video and maybe a subscribe as well. And if you're not new around here guys and you've been here for a while, thank you so much. Welcome back to episode 35? 36?
I don't know, how many now?
Guys, I don't know. But today we're recreating a UK classic, well, a worldwide classic really, the McDonald's mozzarella dipper at home, but 10 times better. These babies are a bit of a staple on the McDonald's menu. Looks a bit like something else questionable. So we're gonna recreate these with a spicy tomato dip, guys, and here is how to do it. And also, if you wanna cook this recipe or you want any of our recipes or just general cool food advice, not these, then click the link in the description below for our food blog. So guys, we've got here some mozzarella. Now you're all familiar with mozzarella balls. They come in that little packet full of normally milk or buffalo milk. No good for these. We need full-on hardcore mozzarella block. Now this is normally called mozzarella for pizzas. You can buy... Can you keep it down? We're filming, Mr. Pheasant. Jesus. It's hard, there's no milk in it. You can get it in Tesco's, you can get it in Morrison's. I don't know if you can get it in Waitrose, but most supermarkets have it. Little smell, Dunham?
Very nice. It smells like cheese strings.
It's the same thing, although cheese strings, loads of crap in them. Our main ingredient to this dish, guys, is just mozzarella. Obviously, I've had a look at the McDonald's website and there's about 30 other ingredients in theirs, which we're not gonna put in. We're just gonna use mozzarella, some basic herbs, some breading, and that is it. And trust me now, guys, with the dip we're gonna make, these are gonna be 1,000,000 times better than the McDonald's ones. We're gonna cut these into chips. So we're gonna go down like this, and it's quite hard to cut through this stuff. It's like rubber, just like that. So what that gives us, guys, is two perfectly sized mozzarella dippers. Let's compare them to the real ones, shall we?
Look at that.
I reckon McDonald's might be using the same method that we are, guys. But anyway, I can tell you now, these are gonna be way better. That is a perfect match. Camera 2. Oh yeah. Let's carry on and make a few more. Exactly the same as we just did, because these are the perfect size now. We have got 12 mozzarella sticks. Jordan, how much do McDonald's charge for mozzarella sticks?
I think it's like £3 something for 3.
No, it's less than that. It's like £1.
It isn't.
Isn't it?
I swear it's like...
No, I think it's like £1.80. Well, whatever it is, we'll put the price here. 3 of these to make are probably going to cost you about 15 pence, maybe even less than that. If you've got a lot of kids in a big family and you're fed up of going to McDonald's and buying like 6 different portions of them, just make these. You can pop them in the freezer, they'll last for ages. You can fry these in minutes, and honestly, if I wasn't waffling so much, we would have had them finished by now. So let's crack on with it. Welcome to the breading station, but with a few little subtle tweaks. Because I had a look at this McDonald's recipe and I found out exactly what they're using for their herbs and spices. We've got some plain flour here, okay? And into there, we're gonna put some garlic powder, just about a teaspoon, some dried parsley, and we're gonna put some dried oregano. I've got some breadcrumbs here as well. This is a mixture of just normal golden breadcrumbs and panko breadcrumbs. And into this, I'm going to add some garlic powder again, some oregano, and some parsley. And I'm going to show you why, Jordan, because... Now, let's have a look at the original. I don't know if you can see there. Can you see that? There's little specks of herbs in there. Now those are parsley and oregano, because I've checked the McDonald's website and that's what they put in it. In order to recreate this kind of little herb effect, we're going to pop them into the breadcrumbs like we've done here and into the flour, and that should make it similar. If you look at the breadcrumbs we're using, again, pretty close I would say. What do you reckon?
Yeah.
This is really as close as you could possibly get to a McDonald's mozzarella dipper. Let's just mix in our herbs. It doesn't have to be exact. Give it a little shimmy around. Same with the old breadcrumbs. So into the flour. Now it's not going to stick too much on the flour, but it's just to get a bit of a coating on there. Into the egg. Remember, separate your hands, then into the panko. Oh, okay. And we're gonna give these a really, really good coating of the seasoned breadcrumbs. Back into the flour. Are you following me, Jordan? Now we're going, now we're going. Flour, egg. Good coating on the egg for the dunk. And literally get that all over there. And there we go, just like that. Do they look good?
Yeah, baby.
Oh, guys. I've had a little look, and that is about as close to the McDonald's ones as we can possibly get. Like I said, these are going to be way better, but just look at them, they look like and unlike the McDonald's ones, I mean, you do see it with there sometimes. We're going to get some serious cheese seepage from these. That's hard to say. You try saying that.
Serious cheese seepage.
So anyway, now we've got to pop these in the freezer. It's essential they're frozen when you cook them, otherwise they will just explode. So get them in the freezer now for about an hour, covered with some cling film to firm right up. And then we're going to deep fry these about 160 degrees for a few minutes until they are golden, crispy and oozy. And you wait till you see the cheese pool on these. Jordan's Easter cookie.
It's yours.
It's for me?
Yeah.
Oh, thanks babe. Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
Right, let's pop these in the freezer. We're gonna make Joe's Herby Marinara Sauce. Now this marinara sauce is the base for many dishes that we make on this channel, and it's really easy. It takes less than 10 minutes. And if you wanna make it too, there's a link in description below for the marinara sauce. We're gonna switch it up today. So McDonald's serve their mozzarella dippers with with some kind of tangy tomato sauce. And I'm gonna serve mine with this amazing garlicky herby marinara sauce because A, it's way better, B, it's made from scratch, and C, it's way better. So pan on a high heat, olive oil in, chopped garlic, and some chopped chilli. So we just want to give that a couple of minutes on a medium to high heat. And oh, I love the smell of fresh garlic cooking, guys. So as soon as that garlic starts to colour, in with our passata. We're going to go in now with some dried oregano, guys, probably about 2 teaspoons in there. 1 teaspoon of caster sugar, Suzy salt, and some lovely pepper pea. We just want to reduce the heat down a bit on this now, okay? And we're going to add in half of our basil. So we've got over here some roughly torn basil. So literally you just get the basil and you tear it up. Okay, so half of that in now. And then we're going to use the rest of it to finish. So just get this now, guys, onto a kind of medium to low heat, and that just wants to sit there now for about 5 or 10 minutes, just to blip down into a nice, thick, herby marinara sauce. And trust me, guys, that is going to be beautiful with our lovely mozzarella sticks. Oh, baby. And look at this. Oh, my word. Can you see?
Yeah.
Beautiful. Oh my God. Wow. Chili, tomato, garlic, basil, oregano. That is good. Right, let's finish this off. A bit more fresh basil in there. And then we're just gonna decant this now to cool down. The one you get with McDonald's is not hot, it's cold, right? So we're doing the same thing, guys. So let's chill this sauce down. Look at the colors of this. Oh, wow. Come on now. Let's do this together. Now that needs to cool down, and that's fine because our mozzarella dippers are still in the freezer. It's time to deep fry the mozzarella sticks. Our oil is at 160 degrees Celsius, and here they are, guys, like little fish fingers. And in. Oh yes. Let's get our tongs, make sure that they don't stick together. Let's get our sauce plated up. Our lovely herby chili marinara from earlier. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Just to be a bit chefy, we're going to finish this with a bit of hand-torn basil. Wow. We're just going to give these a little check, maybe a flip. Look at those. Oh my Lord, guys. Look at it. This is what cooking is all about, guys. Flavour, freshness, and amazing taste. Look at these. They're like nuclear. Wow. So So all we need to finish these off really, Susie salt, bit of pepper peat. Just place these onto the board, just like this, guys. Tiny bit of chopped fresh basil. That is my homemade, better than McDonald's mozzarella dippers. And now is the fun part, guys. I get to taste them. Oh my God, guys.
I'm even trying the chili. Even though I don't like spicy food.
They are way better than the McDonald's ones, guys. We make cooking videos every week here on YouTube. Click subscribe if you like what you see. Hit the link in the description for our food blog. Love you long time. See you next week.